Did you know that 97% of internet users search for local businesses online and over 86% of them use Google Maps? This makes a Google Business Profile an essential tool for getting your business found locally on Google Search and Maps.
Google ranks profiles based on relevance, geographical proximity, along with other signals like user engagement and quality of information. So, even if your business has already claimed and completed a profile, you should look at optimizing it to ensure it's performing at its best.
Hey folks, Alvin here in Hong Kong, and welcome to APAC in 3, where we take 3 minutes to talk about all things digital in Asia. Today's topic: how to optimize your Google Business Profile in 2023 to rank higher on local search and find new customers for your business. A complete and verified business profile is vital for your business to appear on Google Maps and within a local pack at the top of Google Search Engine Results pages, or SERPs.
It's more common than you think for a phone number or street address to be incorrect or an old location not to be marked as closed. So be sure to claim your profile and manage it closely.
Your business name field must be your actual business name and void of keywords. So picking a main category that best fits will help Google match your listing with the most appropriate search terms.
Next, your company description should include what you do, who your offerings are for, and essential keywords to help users find your profile.
The description is limited to 750 characters long, and the first 250 are the most important, so make sure you front-load your key information. If you're a restaurant, for instance, mention your ambience, menu options, and special services before your history. Images and videos bring credibility to your listing and help users as well as Google learn more about your business and its offerings.
Upload high-resolution photos and videos of your location, products or services, and even your team.
Variety in your photos also helps Google since it automatically picks photos to show on your listing based on what it deems would best answer a user's search query.
Google Vision AI is a tool that can help you understand how Google interprets your photo. Just upload an image to the free demo and it'll tell you the keywords Google can derive from the image.
After completing your profile and putting your business on the map, spur engagement on it to stand out from competitors and increase your foot traffic.
Leverage your Q&A section to let customers ask questions about your business. But be wary. They too can answer questions asked by others, so it's a good idea for you as the expert to be the first to address each question. To keep your answers at the top, upvote them since the most liked answers appear as the primary response. Do the same for questions so they may appear prominently in place of the standard See All Questions link.
Asking your own questions grants you greater control over the conversation surrounding your business. So post your most asked questions followed by their model answers to set up a pre-site FAQ page.
And lastly, use the Updates feature to share your latest news, promotional offers, or events.
Whether setting it up for the first time or improving an existing listing, a business profile is your best friend for scaling your online presence. So be sure to revisit it from time to time and leverage the latest features from Google. Thanks for tuning in, guys. To dig deeper, check out theegg.com/APAC in 3.